sparks. Every adventure begins with a spark. A gentle glow rising where night meets dawn. Together, these sparks form a circle of wonder, ancient, timeless, waiting to be seen. And so, the journey begins with the first spark of imagination. These are the Wonder Sparks adventures, where imagination, courage, and friendship unlock the magic within. One adventure ends, but another is already waiting. Together, new sparks will rise to face what lies ahead.
You made it back.
The map. And wouldn't miss it.
This is what the map showed us when the broken echoes were restored.
The map says it's your turn now. Together,
creativity and courage. The wind will carry you.
Ready, Fiero? Let's follow the map to where we are needed most.
Of course, amiga. Time to step into the wind's path.
Remember, follow the wind to where you are needed most.
Fiero, do you see them?
Travelers. And those rooms.
Ridges hidden in the wind, only revealed when sparks walk together.
The map wants me to draw?
Ah, if it does, amiga, then you'd better make it shine.
Look, every line I draw is floating into the air. The runes are glowing back at me, like the canyon is answering my drawings.
Told you, amiga. The winds have good taste. They like your art. Keep going. Make them dance. Looks like your doodles need a little bit more courage, amiga.
Do not fear the trembling path. With focus and fearless hearts, it will find its strength.
Not that one, it looks wrong. Ah, wait. That's it. That looks better.
Okay. You see? You just need to doodle the correct one.
Every wrong line teaches the right one. Keep drawing and the canyon will listen. Beware the wind.
The wind, you are holding it steady.
Easy. Just stand strong like the wind is my dance partner.
As your balance stills the storm, now the travelers may find their way.
It's safe now. You can cross.
Come on, the bridge won't bite.
When courage meets trust, even the winds will carry you.
Take this. It was given to us long ago, meant for the ones who would help.
There's something more to this. These lines aren't just decoration. They're like little clues. Look, Fiero, the artifact is showing us the way, the next step.
Okay, then we follow the shiny coin.
You have aligned the symbol, and now the hidden door is revealed. The feather rune has opened. Now find the path to restore what was broken.
We are really going inside.
About time. I wonder what's in there.
Whoa, interesting. The canyon has a whole built-in puzzle.
Looks like a windy obstacle course.
Only fearless steps can carry the coin to its place.
Go on, Fiero. If anyone can beat the winds, it's you.
Alright, let's see if the winds can keep up with me. Ha! Almost there. This coin has got a date with destiny.
This is it, Fiero. The last part of the puzzle.
Okay. Over to you, Canyon. You have got your missing piece.
The coin is restored and the bridges live again. Your courage has mended what was broken.
Thank you. The ancient canyons are restored again.
Safe journeys, friends.
Told you, Amara. The winds just needed a little help.
Your courage has healed the canyons, and now the path opens wider. Seek the next sparks, for the journey is not yet complete.
Wait, those shapes, they look familiar.
I know those faces anywhere. Bandok and Dazea.
Then they are the next sparks.
Sheesh! No more windy obstacle courses, right?
For now, the map always knows where we are needed.
And so, with courage and wonder, Amara and Fiero stepped into the light. Their journey through the canyons complete, and the path of the next sparks begins.
Hello. When we face challenges together,
Even broken paths can be made whole again.